5:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located just west of Ames, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Ames, Nevada, Gilbert, Iowa State Center, and Ames Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 110 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Boone and Story. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Story County in central Iowa, West Central Marshall County in central 30 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nevada, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. Reported quarter-size hail in northern range at 5:50. The following are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Nevada, City Center, Colo, Clemens, and St. Anthony. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 111 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Marshall and Story.